Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Canva a lot for your designs, you've probably noticed your search history piling up, whether it's past searches for icons, graphics, or templates. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete your search history in Canva and keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and head into any project. It can be a blank design or something you're already working on. On the left-hand side of your Canva editor, you'll see several tabs like Text, Uploads, and Elements. Click on the Elements tab. This is where you usually search for graphics, icons, shapes, and other visual elements to add to your design. Now, take a look at the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. When you click on it, Canva will automatically show your recent searches. Basically, everything you've looked up before. If you've searched for a lot of things over time, this list can get pretty long, and sometimes it's not even relevant anymore. So let's clean it up. Right inside that same search bar area, you'll notice a clear button. It's usually on the right side of the drop-down menu that appears. Simply click on clear. And just like that, Canva will remove all your previous search entries. This instantly refreshes your workspace, making it easier to find new and relevant design elements without your old searches cluttering the view. It also helps Canva give you more accurate suggestions based on your future searches. And that's it. Super simple, but very effective. So that's how you can quickly and easily delete your search history in Canva. Keeping things clean not only helps your design process feel more organized, but it also improves your overall Canva experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.